because I was really very busy.
No problem, Sarji.
Yeah.
Yesterday I've had a word with the most dynamic person.
Mm-hmm.
So today I thought I will introduce to you
Uh-huh.
so that we both can plan to fly
Uh-huh.
down to Bhopal. There was a very dynamic person and he
Uh-huh.
has a very good knowledge.
Uh-huh.
So he will give a brief introduction about himself.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday I was there with him and we discussed lot of things about the crime-free Bharat.
Oh,
And
great,
also I've
great,
told about
great,
you.
great,
Yes, yes,
great,
yes.
great, great,
He's
great.
very, very much
So,
intelligent and
if you
ready to
wish,
take
if
forward.
you wish, you can connect him.
Yes, sure, Saji. I will be meeting him in another 2 hours, Saji. Just
Uh-huh.
in 2 hours. Post
Uh-huh.
lunch, we can have a call. Okay, I will
Okay.
call.
Okay.
Definitely, you
So,
can talk to him and we can exchange number.
okay, okay. So, could you please brief me what kind of the discussion you had with him and what was his response?
Oh, he was very, very happy because he was in one of the he conducted he told me one of the campaigns like that wherein he had about 14,000 farmers, he told me, under him, and
Oh,
he had
great,
given a very
great.
big program to them. Yes. And
Basically, Shilpa, you will agree,
hmm,
whosoever is doing whatever, he is doing in a segment, right?
hmm.
Here
Yes,
we are providing end-to-end solution without जो है any burden on the government or
exactly.
even without any burden on the farmers as well,
Yes.
because
I
everything has become so costly and inefficient that
very much.
small farmers, they are not in position to really gainfully do the farming in their small piece of land,
Correct.
and they are
Absolutely.
they are forced to become laborer because they feel कि if they will be a laborer, probably his earning will be better than as a farmer.
Very true, Sarji.
So
Yes.
here in our model, the biggest advantage which we are having,
Hmm.
that is a very big advantage.
Yes.
That
And the
advantage,
best thing is,
just a minute, let
huh,
me brief about
yes.
little advantage. Advantage is this, that we are having another separate account, that is the cost settling account, which is providing these services without casting any immediate burden on the farmer. That is the one of the very big advantage.
Yes.
So whether it is a cow shed, whether it is the cow, whether it is the cow related services, whether it is a sapling, whether the digging the trench, which we are saying 10 feet deep trench will be dug in the field, whether it is a planting four type of the plants, everything will happen, and everybody in the pipeline will get the immediate payment. At the same time, farmer has not to, need not to pay even a penny from his profit account, right?
Yes. It's a
Everything will
very,
be
very good
mounted on
benefit.
the debit account, number one.
You're right.
Number two, by doing so, basically we have worked out on the models also. So basically we have to create literatures and kind of an agreement with the farmers. Whatever we are saying orally, let it be a documented contract.
Yes.
In beginning, it may be from the crime-free Bharat, but later on, let it be by the government itself.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? So,
Yes.
whatever we are saying, there is no question of faith or believing or not believing. It is a government policy, and the government need not to incur any expenditure on it, right?
Yes.
But the credibility and assurance of the government will come very handy.
Yes.
Now,
I totally agree. Yes.
now you see the benefit which will be flowing to the other stakeholders. So, who are the other stakeholder? This has to be understood. Number one stakeholder, the person who will be doing the quality check, right?
Yes.
The second, the person who will be doing the packaging, right? And then I will say loading, unloading element. So there will be efficient team with the special kind of the equipment and efficient crates, etc., so that it can be loaded, and as a crate will be lifted and it will go in trucks, and from the trucks it will go into the wagon. So we will be in position to provide a intricate, well knit, composite transport system. And from there, as per the present demand which is in hand, it will go to the wholesaler, retailer, even home delivery people, and in the remaining will be in the warehouse. So as per the requirement and as per our assessment, this will go into the warehouses of the distributed over the area.
Yes, absolutely, sir. This is a
Now,
perfect
now,
model.
now you imagine everybody is just service provider.
True.
So we have given two advantage to the service provider. Number two, one, now for doing their business, they have to really use a lot of capitals and they are running a risk also.
Yes.
Here their risk has become zero, right? They have become the service provider, and the service they are doing, quantum of that accordingly they will get the value or benefit or profit to them, right?
Absolutely.
So the capital input by the businessman will become zero. Their only capital is the infrastructure in which your these items would be housed, right?
Yes.
So maybe
The
a shop,
warehouse
maybe
is
a
one thing.
farmhouse, maybe a wholesale house, whatever it is, right?
Yes.
And
And
even
for the growing of the crops, we have to think about the fertilizers, compost.
oh no.
Huh.
Since we are having the Gosala, we will be having, we will calculate the output. How much we would like to go put it into the gobar gas plant. How much will be converted into the basically Jiva Amrit, Ghan Amrit, and those kind of the things, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
it will be, since it is not being charged, so we need not to inquire from anybody, right?
Yes.
It will go to the farm, right? As per the
Directly to
area,
the farm.
and it will
Correct.
be uniform. Say, if we are having more production, we will have that, say, all 5 times, 4 times input to the our farms, right? So if
Right.
it is taking now 1 year to cover the fertilizer and pesticide, uh, and we will be using what? How many things we will be using? Listen, I am just listing them. Number one, Jiva Amrit. Do you know how the Jiva Amrit is prepared?
No,
We use the cow dung, we use the cow urine, we use little say molarus kind of the things or besan or those kind of the things, and then it is allowed to ferment for say 3 days, and then it becomes, it get converted into the, of the great value, that is called the Jiva Amrit, right?
Okay.
And that residual you have, that could be converted into the Ghan Amrit, that is the solid element, right? Now there will be lot of things will be converted into the earthworm जो है created manure, right?
Yes.
So earthworm will be consuming these rotten leaves and cow dung, etc., and that will be converted into the manure. So that will be used in a very big way. And whatever is produced, it, since we are have, they say, since farmer need not to pay, so the system is taking decision कि यहाँ भेजो, यहाँ भेजो, यहाँ भेजो, तो there will be कहीं पे कोई चीज इकट्ठी नहीं होगी. Are you getting my point? यदि मान लो मैंने 10 metric ton जो है ना जीवा अमृत has been created, we know where to distribute it, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
More dose means our मिट्टी जो है ना will become more जो है ना fertile, and probably whatever we are in position to grow with the use of the chemical and
very
fertilizer.
rich in the nutrient.
Not only rich in nutrient, it will be live.
Yes.
It will be free from any chemical things. So humidity, at present, if you are having the humidity, it is converting into the salt, right? So it is making your soil infertile. Now, instead of having these salt chemical things, if you are having microbes and bacteria, with the humidity, they will grow faster.
Yes.
So without any negative impact.
Yes.
Now, I am very sure you must be knowing Now, n number of the microbes have been created and they are available in the market. They can be very gainfully used for basically directly absorbing nutrients from the air and converting it into the manure and converting into the nutrients and getting into the soil, right?
Yes.
Now, these microbes are the living organism, right? Once it is created, uska replicate karna is will be very easy, right?
Yes. Yes.
It means by putting some kind of the eatables and things like that, that will grow at a very fast rate. So, along with the Jiva Amrit, we will be mixing this also.
Yes.
So, microbe will also be supplied, and there are microbes which can kill pest. They can eat pest. So, now you have created a factory in soil itself, which will be supplemented regularly.
Okay.
So now you can imagine how will be your earth. Now the production of grains at the moment your whole food chain has become poisonous, cancerous. Now you are free from the cancer.
Yes. Yes.
Now more humidity, more that kind of the things, it will basically it will increase the fertility every passing moment. Every passing moment, because microbes and bacteria, they are on the job round the clock, 24 hours a day, right?
Yes. Yes.
So,
Correct.
so an hour before, whatever you have fertility you are having, after an hour, it will be 0.001% more.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? However small, incremental it might be, but it will be more. At the present, it is happening other way around. If you take a crop, that whatever the nutrients is taken away by your crop, right? So your soil is getting repleted, right?
Yes.
Here, in case it is happening other way around.
Yes.
Now, in the business at back end, in the whole chain, how much employment would be created?
Oh,
where everybody is working flawlessly without wasting even a single moment. Because the backend engine is saying, go there, do that. He need not to speak to anybody. And there will be a quality checks and kind of the thing, so no hanky-panky. Payment will be automated. So, the wealth will flow like anything. Now, it must not be, whatever you are doing in a compartment only. Whosoever, I can challenge anybody, would not have thought of end-to-end consumption till it is reaching to the mouth